Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another engine has arrived, and I found this on eBay for $7. It's a 999 in less than perfect condition. But I just wanted to do a video on this. I found the engine and the tender on eBay, and it was a auction or a best offer kind of thing. So I contacted the guy and offered him $7 for this, and he accepted. So I just want to do a quick video of the grand unboxing to see what kind of condition this is actually in. So it came with the 999 and the tender. So just really curious to see what kind of condition this is really in. Alright, what do we have here? What do we have? Plastic. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Alright. Hope this is staying in frame. Alright, so this is the 999 itself. Very well packed, as you see. Wow. I didn't want this to come open. Wrapped in tissue. Alright. Alright. Get this out of the way. Alright, so a 999, and you look at it and you think, wow, that's in fairly decent condition. On this side, however, whole different ball game. And what has happened is this wheel in the Marx collectors community, this is called wheel rot. And I don't know if you can see that. Let's get a close-up of this. If I can. Anyway, you can see that wheel is just literally disintegrating. And these wheels are made of pot metal, of course. And over the years, moisture will get into this and causes what's called intergranular degeneration. And these wheels just begin literally to fall apart. They turn to powder. They start to swell, expand, crack, and you can see how the edges are all torn up. Push rod is missing, and it's literally just falling off or falling off the shaft. So really bad storage, that's what causes this. However, we're going to try and see what it takes to get this running. It's complete, it's just missing that push rod. So I'll open the tender in a second. I want to put this on the rail and see what actually happens. And if it buzzes, we'll see. Anyway, so Marx 999 from eBay, $7, and bought it for parts, of course. But let's see what happens. Okay, power is on, and nothing at all. Doesn't even buzz, as you see. Oh, it does buzz. Look at that. It's actually running. And it's running in reverse. Okay, now I've done nothing to this. You saw it, just unwrapped it. So it's going to be interesting to see if, well, we can get this up and running. Now I've already got the wheel pulled out to replace this one. So I can just pull this off here, put a new wheel on with the push rod, and this will be up and running. And you can see it's in just absolutely dreadful condition. And it's been stored for a very, very long time. And it was stored someplace, as you can see, that was damp. And that's what causes this oxide, and that's what causes this intergranular degeneration on this wheel. And as you see, this wheel is literally turning to powder. The edge is really sharp. I mean, really sharp. You can cut yourself on this real easy. And it's delaminating. You can see it's just literally falling to pieces, falling to powder. And all you got to do is pull this off, replace this wheel, and it looks like the rest of the wheels are in decent shape. So I've already got the wheel and the push rod on the bench. So like I said, I just wanted to do a quick video on unboxing the new 999. And it's not going to be much of a challenge. And that's the neat thing about this, is that even though this is just absolutely terrible condition, as you see, it's running. And with just a few drops of oil, replace this wheel and the push rod, this is going to be a really nice running engine. There's no doubt about that. And all it's going to take is a bit of tweaking to get this straightened out, get it cleaned up, and get it running well. So I'll do some follow-ups on this throughout the day. First thing I'm going to do, of course, is get it cleaned up, put a couple of drops of oil on it, and get it running. Then I'm going to address the wheel. And like I said, I can just pull this wheel off, press the new one on. That problem is solved. The rest of it will just be basically maintenance and cleaning. As you see, it's just in dreadful condition. Not so much physically. It's just been stored really, really badly for a very, very long time. That's what affects the paint. That's what affects the pot metal. And very likely stored in a damp basement for decades. Years and years and years. Anyway, it's going to be interesting to run this. So I just wanted to do a quick video of the grand unboxing of the new 999. Like I said, $7 on eBay, and I can have this repaired and running in a matter of minutes. But I just wanted to do a quick video of getting it out of the box, actually getting it on the rail. And like I said, the fact that it's running tells you right there that it's just a matter of getting this cleaned up, lubed and tuned, and it will run. So give it a quick knock. That will usually engage the E unit. Whoops, wrong transformer. And usually all you got to do is get these things broken loose and they'll take off running, as you see. So anyway, really, really terrible condition, but like I said, in just a matter of a few minutes, a few drops of oil, some judicious tuning, and replace that wheel, and this is going to be a running 999 in probably less than an hour. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. Anyway, still have to unpack the tender, and then I'll do a follow-up video when I get this up and running. So just wanted to do a quick video as just to document the arrival of this 999. $7 on eBay. And you're going to be amazed in just an hour or so. This is going to be a really nice looking 999. So just wanted to do a video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.